हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं ऐश्वर्या और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में जिसका नाम है कुड़ी कमाल दी। तो दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट मामा अर्थ haul. Yes, you heard me right. Hauls are my favorite videos to do because I keep shopping and I want to review all the products and share with you guys. Might be it will be helpful for you. So in this video I'm also going to include a Nykaa haul. So recently I've ordered very basic makeup essentials from Nykaa, so I thought why not to share with you guys along with this MamaEarth haul. And this MamaEarth haul will be consisting all the skincare and also hair care products. So yeah, so are you excited? Because I am a lot excited. So recently I have ordered very basic makeup essential, like all these stuff you should have definitely as a beginner or someone if you do like very less makeup and all that stuff. So I thought why not to share with you guys. It might be a little helpful for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Ordered from Nykaa is a face toner which is of khadi, mint and cucumber. So it looks, the bottle is like this, very pretty, very cute, and this cost me, this is MRP is 95 but I got it for sale like 90 or something. So I will mention all the price on the screen. So yeah, so this is a very nice, today I have used all the product which I am going to show you on this video. So this has a very nice, very easy to apply. See, so it's like it has a very cooling effect since it has mint and cucumber. Very amazing for especially for summers. It gives you very soothing effect and very cost essential, as it's just 90 rupees. What will you get at 90 rupees? So next up which I bought from Nykaa is a foundation. So for very long time I was searching for a foundation which doesn't make my face very cakey and also at the same time it gives natural effect, because I don't like applying a lot of makeup. I just like to my kajal and my lipstick and a little bit base, and that's it, I'm done. So yeah, I have ordered this Maybelline Fit 220 which is of my shade is Natural Beach. So yeah, this is how it looks. Packaging, it was of $2.99 and I guess I didn't got any offer on this. So today I have applied this on my face and as you can see it's quite natural and it's not making any the people who like natural look and are not into so much of makeup and stuff, you can buy this very easily. Go for it. It's very nice, very cost effective, and just I guess very little application of this on my face worked very well for my this big face. So yeah, it is very good and you can definitely go for it. It's like amazing thing. And next up, अब फाउंडेशन ले ही लिया है तो कंसीलर, मैंने सोचा कंसीलर भी ट्राई करते हैं क्योंकि यार अब वीडियोस एंड ऑल आई नीडेड अ कंसीलर. सो आई थॉट to give a try to this Insight. I hope you can see. So yeah, it's a Insight 2x Cover Master Concealer. So since I don't have much marks on my face, I don't need that much coverage concealer. So I was looking for a normal, basically I wanted to try how to apply concealer and foundation together. So yeah, this is what I ordered. So this was very cheap. I guess this was around 200 or something. So yeah, this is how the bottle looks. It's very cute packaging, and I have applied this also today somewhere, like I had few marks, and coverage is like okay. I would not say it's amazing, but yeah, for this price I don't think so we can get anything more than this. So yeah, this is quite good, and I will just show you how this is the shade. So yeah, it's like, it's not bad. So it's not amazing, but it's not bad. For this price it's quite best. So yeah, so I can recommend you, if you are a beginner, you can definitely go for this and just learn makeup, and not to invest on lot of too much of money just to for a beginner. So I guess you can go for this, buy, learn it how to do, and then you can maybe invest in a big brand or something. So yeah, so next up I got is this eyebrow pencil. So I have seen a lot of makeup tutorials and YouTube videos in which they said eyebrow is like a big thing. So I thought why not to just buy and try how it looks. So today I did my eyebrows for the very first time, and I did with this. So yeah, I can see a lot of difference. So I can definitely say doing your eyebrow gives a lot of difference to your face. So this one is Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. My shade is 03 medium brown. So I would always suggest you guys to go for brown, not for black, because black looks very fake. And this has a pencil spoolie over here, so you can comb your eyebrows. And this is like this, a pencil, very easy application, and I will say it's very pigmented, as you can see. So it's highly pigmented, and this cost me around, MRP was I guess 200, but I got offer on this as well. So yeah, very happy with this, and definitely go for it, it's amazing. So next up I bought, which is a skincare. I was looking for a serum for a very long time because I felt my face has a lot of breakdowns. So after a lot of research and a lot of thinking, so I bought this L'Oreal face serum. This is rejuvenating revital lift crystal micro essence for bright and crystal clear skin. So this is how it looks, and this small thing MRP was of 250 I guess, but I have to say I'm quite disappointed with this because first of all, because this is how the bottle looks. Packaging is very cute, but I guess the quantity is quite less, and I applied this today as well as yesterday night, but I didn't feel like it's amazing. So all the reviews, detailed reviews will be in my Instagram stories or my post. So follow me on Instagram, which is my Instagram ID is here. So follow me there for all the detailed review of all the product, day to day, how I apply, what is happening and all that stuff. So for now, it's an okayish product for me. It's not great and not bad also. So yeah, let's see going forward. So far, so okay. So next up is the very first time I am purchasing a hair spray. So yeah, I have seen a lot of videos on this as well. So I have seen a lot of YouTubers following this and suggesting this, that it has a very good review. So it is L'Oreal Elnet Satin. This spray is, yeah. So it's, today I applied, like I had a little baby hair, so which irritated me a lot. So set that up, I just bought this. So today I did my setting this baby hair, and trust me guys, it's like really nice. I just did I guess 2 sprays. See, the spray is also so good, so nice. So just I sprayed twice here, and it's like it didn't made my hair oily, and at the same time it was like so nice, and yeah, it's really amazing. So I guess you guys can go for this. It was also of 250 rupees I guess, and this much bottle I guess first you can give a try with a small bottle, and if you like it then you can go forward. And also ये सारी चीजें बहुत ही it's not for daily use. You can apply whenever you are going out or whenever. So for that purpose it's really nice. And also you can apply this after straightening your hair or curling your hair. It will make your hair stay for very long. So yeah, this is an amazing purchase and my favorite. So next up is I ordered a Lakme Rose Powder Suns. So it's with sunscreen as it's written. So I was just browsing and I thought, okay, let's give a try with the powder. So I have to say this packaging is first of all really nice, and I'm really happy with this product because it's quite nice. And see the quantity, you get something like this, and this is if you remove it, just you can have applied. So it's a kind of a rose pinkish color. So this powder is quite nice and quantity is very nice. So yeah, I really like it. And for detailed review, again I'm saying follow me on Instagram, and all the detailed reviews you can get there. Since I bought this product very recently, so I cannot give you a detailed review on this, but yeah, I can give you only first impression. So yeah, here it is. So last thing which I ordered from Nykaa is Tantaran! This is a makeup powder puff. So I never, first of all I don't apply makeup. So recently, since I bought all this foundation, concealer and everything, so I thought, how will I apply it? So I need a, what do you say this, Power Puff or Beauty Blender, yeah. So I just bought this and I just used this today. That's why it's dirty. I don't know, I have a mixed review for this. Maybe I don't know how to use it properly. So I guess my fingers work well better than this beauty blender, but I will keep you guys posted. This was the only first impression. Maybe, you never know. Maybe I will start loving it very soon. So yeah, I keep experimenting with all my stuffs and everything. So this was about the Nykaa haul. Now moving forward to MamaEarth haul, for which you guys requested, and yeah, let's go. So I received this MamaEarth packet in this. So very cute packaging, as you can see, very nice packaging, and I have ordered few stuffs from MamaEarth, which I am going to show you now. So first thing which I ordered from MamaEarth is for my hair fall, because I was facing a lot of hair fall and I didn't knew what to do. So I ordered this hair care range from MamaEarth, which is having anti hair fall. So it has a onion hair oil, and it has a conditioner, and it has a shampoo. So as you can see, my hair is looking really nice and silky. So today I have used this hair oil and shampoo and conditioner. So one by one I'm going to tell you how it is. So this was a pack of 9.99 rupees if I'm not wrong. So I'll be putting everything on the screen or in the description box, so please go and check. So this onion hair oil is like, it comes like this, and you can just, it has applicator like this. You have to apply this on the scalp, and first impression of this, I have to say it's really good, and I can feel my hair is like really soft and it didn't fall much. So yeah, first thing I like it was really good. And MamaEarth is also a plastic positive brand. They recycle more plastic than they use, so it's like quite good. It doesn't have sulfate, and it's silicone free condition and shampoo, so it's really good for your hair. So for these three things, I really love it. So if you are facing hair fall problems and any hair dandruff problems, you can just blindly go for this, because I really love it, and you can see my hair is like really soft and smooth today. So yeah, this was the first thing I ordered. Second thing I ordered is a face moisturizer from MamaEarth, which has a apple cider vinegar oil-free face moisturizer. So this is it for acne prone skin. So I was looking for a nice face moisturizer from long. So this consistency, today also I've applied this. I will just show you how it is. So as you can see, it's really nice. It's very moisturizing, but it doesn't give you that oily, that few moisturizer will leave your skin very oily and all. This thing really absorbs in your skin very nicely and leaves your skin all moisturizer nice. And this was cost price was $2.99, and I guess I got a bit of offer on this. So yeah, this is a very good thing. Next stuff which I bought is a sunscreen. This is how it looks. So Hydra Gel Indian Sunscreen, Aloe Vera and Raspberry. So this is for sun protection. So now you're thinking कि COVID है, बाहर जाना नहीं है, तो sunscreen का क्या काम? But I have to go sometimes here and there. So I thought, it's very important to protect your skin from sun, and sunscreen is really important, trust me. So yeah, so this is how it looks, and this is the size of it. So yeah, I have applied this today a bit. It has the same like very nice, and it doesn't leave your skin oily, and it absorbs in your skin very nicely. So I guess MamaEarth products are the best till now. Whatever I have used, it's like the best till now. I was using a face wash and Upton face wash and one face cream that was like really amazing. So yeah, so that's why I have a little of blind trust with MamaEarth that it will not do any kind of harm to my face. So last thing which I ordered from MamaEarth is a tea tree face wash. So I love tea tree oil personally. Tea tree oil has done magic to my face and skin, and I have told this in my lot of videos, I guess, that apply tea tree oil and all that stuff. So yeah, if you haven't seen my videos, I will link somewhere else. So लगे हाथ मैंने प्रमोशन भी कर दिया, चलो ठीक है। तो ये है टी ट्री फेस वॉश। इसको मैंने अभी तक यूज नहीं किया है, तो इसका लाइक आई होप सो इट विल बी गुड। एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, इंस्टाग्राम प्रमोशन कर देते हो, यहाँ पे मेरा इंस्टाग्राम ही है, तो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम टू नो डिटेल्ड रिव्यू ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स। So yeah, so that's it for this video guys. Hope you guys like this, and if you like it, what you have to do is share, like and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment, because I love reading your comments, and that's the only way to connect with you guys, and I love connecting with you guys. So yeah, that was it about this video. So till then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.